So why a 3-pin plug is used in any of the devices? You may have noticed that if you buy a trimmer or any like device which do not take so much of energy, so much of electricity, then even the charger of that device is not having this 3-pin. But when you buy a phone, a laptop, or electric iron, or any such device, even fridge, washing machine, microwave, all such devices will have their plugs as a 3-pin plug only. Okay,
Mhm.
so in this diagram, both the diagrams, the first one is an exterior appearance of a 3-pin plug. And when you will open this portion, this lid, you will get this type of structure inside. Okay, now what is there inside? Let us understand. If this is used for a device which is consuming so much of electricity, let's say microwave oven. Okay, so for microwave oven, when you will open this plug, you will find that there are 3 wires. Okay, the blue one and the red one are respectively called as neutral and live wires. Literally, for neutral and live wires, there is no order in which order you should apply which wire where. Okay, broadly you have to understand that in 2 of the lower pins, which you can see over here, these 2 pins, one will be of live and the other one will be of neutral. These are just names. Okay,
Mhm.
and these are the 2 wires which are actually helping us to provide electricity to any of the device. Okay, broadly there is no use of the third pin. Now, why the third pin is actually applied? So third pin, the main purpose of third pin is safety. In case of any mishap, in case of any voltage fluctuation, anything which is unexpected, any accident, what will happen? All the extra voltage will go in the earth with the help of this third pin. Third pin will take away all extra voltage. Let's say the voltage requirement is 100 volt, but due to any reason, the supplied voltage came to be 125 volt. So if this third wire is connected, if this earth wire is connected, then that extra 25 volt will go in that. So the main purpose of third pin is safety, so that your device can work properly on 100 volt, which is the required one. Okay.
Mhm.
And let's say if the earth wire is also not able to perform its work properly, then for further safety, we put a fuse also. So fuse is just a small cylindrical test tube kind of structure, which you will find over there. You can open this plug and you can just see it inside that there will be a small cylindrical structure. Okay. Which has a tiny thin wire. Okay. That wire is connected at both the ends. And what happens when there will be high voltage, high fluctuation? This wire will break. And as the wire breaks, the whole pin will be of no use. So the fuse is like a emergency switch off button. In case of emergency, the wire will break, fuse will break, and because of that, the device will be completely shut off from supply of electricity. So that the device will also get saved, and if there is a case of fire or anything, then that will also be avoided. If in case your fuse doesn't work, then no one can save us. Okay, then there will be fire in that appliance, and how that fire will go in the house, it depends.